జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ is how I will give you to Sri Ramachandra Swami very safely. O Vaidehi, like this you can immediately see Ramachandra Swami. He is the one who is making every effort. Now you can see him immediately. That is why Prishtham Aroha Me Devi. O Sita Devi, please sit on my back. Ma Vikangshasva, do not delay anymore. I can take you in the path of sky. O Sita Devi, you can cross this ocean easily, and my speed is very fast. There is no one who can beat my velocity. No one in this entire Lanka, even if they get to see us crossing this ocean, nobody can catch us. O Sita Devi, and also as and how, without having anyone notice me, I came here, all the way came to you. So also I can take you without having anyone in this entire Lanka see us. Like that, when Hanuma trying to convince Sita Devi, Sitamma Harsha Vismita Sarvangi, she felt so happy suddenly when Hanuma started saying that right now you can see Rama, right now you can see Rama. With those words, Sitamma started feeling exceedingly happy. But now she kind of started thinking about it and saying to Hanuma like this: "Oh Hanuma, are you serious? Can you really take me? How can you take me so long distance? When I hear all the words that you said, it is clearly showing all your qualities of monkey. So only with that monkey attitude you are saying all these words. Otherwise, Hanuma, kadham va alpa shariraha tvam, with this small body, how can you have me sit on your back and cross this ocean? How can you do that?" When Sitamma said like that, Hanuma immediately felt that Chintayamasa Lakshmivan Navam Paribhavam Krutam. Hanuma felt that it is an insulting comment to him. He has not got insulted by anyone in his entire life. This is the first time, that is why it is sounding so new insult to Hanuma. Sitamma saying to Hanuma like this: "Oh Hanuma, with this small body, how can you take me and cross this ocean?" When Sitamma said like that, Hanuma felt that, "Oh, Sita Devi, name janati sattvam va prabhavam va asite kshana." Sita Devi do not have any awareness about my strength and my valor. That is why tasmat pasyatu vaidehi edrupam mama kamataha. That is why I have to show my big swarupam to Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma thought, and to gain Sitamma's trust, to have Sitamma believe in him, tato vardhitum arebhe, Hanuma started increasing his body. And with such a huge body like Meru Mandara Parvatam, like a huge mountain, and he is glowing like fire and standing right in front of Sita Devi with a huge body. And Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.